Okay, here we have my build your own computer project. I'm building a fairly powerful computer here. This is 16 gig of RAM here. G-Skill Ripjaws. It is a gaming RAM and it's fairly good spec. It is a 1600 PC, 4 gigabyte. Each one is 4 gigabyte, which brings it up to 16 gigabyte. Okay, that's the RAM, very important part. Okay. Next is AMD Phenom Black Edition Phenom 2 multi-core processor. Okay, this is the box it comes in, still sealed. Got delivered the other day. The chip is an X4 965 Phenom AMD Phenom 2 by 4 processor, 3.4 GHz, true quad core design, 8.0 megabyte total cache. Socket is AM3 with a heatsink and fan. Okay, that could be clocked as well. Okay, next is my graphics card, which is a NVIDIA GeForce GTS 450, which is an overclocked card. This is the manuals here for it that comes with it, and it's a mid-range graphics card. Wouldn't be one of the highest ones, but it's okay for what I need it for, which I'll be maybe playing some games, but mostly for video editing. And this is it here, twin fan, pretty cool looking machine. Okay, isn't it? Pretty nice, yeah. I like it. I like the look of it. If it goes as well as it looks, well, I'll be very happy with it. Twin fans, super cooling, heatsink, great. 1 gigabyte. Now that is a GTS 450, NVIDIA GeForce GTS 450. There's another look at it there. Fairly big, so it'll take up a lot of room. And I'll just put it back into its wrapper there, just to make sure that it's okay for when I decide to put this together. Back into the box. Make sure it goes into the box okay. The user manual. In the user manual we have the drivers and such for installing it. We have the guarantee there. Hopefully I won't need a guarantee and it'll be grand. Okay, that's the graphics card. I'm doing this quick just to show you the general gist of it, of what I'm doing. Now this is that is the box there. Okay, this is the whole overclock. Can be overclocked. Most of this, as with the AMD, can be all overclocked and tweaked to suit what you need. You can rev it up, but I don't think I'll be doing much of that. I think it'll have enough power in it as it is without having to do that. But knowing me, I probably will try and overclock it sometime. The motherboard. This is what it's all about. This is the brain of it here. This is what it all clicks into here, okay? This is an ASRock 233 motherboard, okay? USB 3.0, SATA 3, eSATA 3, okay? 870 Extreme 3, okay? Again, this is clockable AMD, so again, Windows 7, okay? It has a lot of stuff on it. It's pretty good board, maximum 16 gig of RAM, so I have the maximum RAM for it. Again, not bad. This is the box open here. That's the manual there, straightforward enough. Drivers there. Again, SATA cables. Again, back for the the back of the PC. Okay, all the usual junk made with it. And here it is here. This is the baby here now. This is I'll just move that over here. This is what it's all at. Here it's all at. Okay, let's take this out. Just don't want to, just be careful with it. Okay, there we go. Okay, again, the RAM slots here by 4. Again, maximum 16 gig of RAM, which I have here beside it. So that these will slot in here by 4, which gives it 16, which is very good. Again, the AMD Venom 2 will slot in here. Again, we have all our. This is the port here at the back, and you know, it's a very good motherboard. Again, medium range, not the top of the range, but not bad. And again, shop online, and you get good price for them. I'll just put this motherboard back into its wrapper because just to keep it clean. Okay. Just make sure it's that way. Okay. Put it back in the box here. Use smashing this. Okay, yeah, well, I'll do that. Stuff on top. Now, and that's the motherboard again there. 87 Extreme 233 ASRock. It is for the AMD. So if I was using a Pentium, I'd get one for a Pentium there. Okay. Now, this is my hard drive. Again, a small 40 gig hard drive. I'm only going to use this for the operating system. Again, I wanted to get a solid state one, but I ended up with this one. Okay, and wasn't really what I wanted, but it'll do. It's 40 gig, small. It's off a notebook, so sorry, it's a 60 gig. I'm just looking, it's a 60 gig, right? So I'm gonna put Windows 7 on that, and possibly maybe one or two other maybe Windows Office or something like that, and just keep that separate from, and have the rest of them portable hard drives. Okay, so this is the screen to the case there. Okay, that's that. This is my Asus DVD rewriter multiplayer. So multi-recorder, again, straightforward. Got it on eBay, cheap enough, pretty straightforward. Hopefully there'll be no problems with it. Seems okay, everything's sealed on it, and it was guaranteed. So it's not new, second hand, but there is other ones I've seen that I want to upgrade to. So I'll have this, and then I'll put another one in at a later date. Okay, again, that's the bag for it there, straightforward. Now, power supply, G7 Power Extreme 581. Okay. Again, I got this in Maplins in Dublin, in good old Dublin, and the box got a bit of a wallop, so hopefully it'll be okay. That's it there. Okay. G7 Power Extreme. This is all the cables here as well. So everything I should need is there. And seems okay, seems straightforward enough. Again, the fun and games will happen when I go try and fit it. Okay. Yeah, we have everything there. Okay. Then, and build your own computer manual. Oh, go nowhere without them. Brilliant. has everything I need to know. I know it gives you plenty of it's an up-to-date one and plenty of stuff in it to get me through the tight spots if I need to know, especially putting in the AMD and that, you know, just to make sure that that's okay. Alright, so recap. RAM 16 gig, processor AMD, graphics card GTS 450, power supply box G7 power supply 580 watt. I think that's probably about the minimum that I could use with all the RAM and that, you know. Hard drive 60 gig, small size, it'll be enough for the operating system. Asus DVD player and recorder, motherboard, True 33 motherboard, ASRock 870 Extreme 3, pretty good. That's all I need to know, and that's it for the moment. Next, oh by the way, this is the case. I'm going to put it all in. This is the case. That's going to be the way to go. Okay, now I'll just bring it up here and see, can I show you the case? It's like an aquarium. Pretty clear through, see-through case, straightforward, clear case. I'll be able to see all the bits in it. That's the front there, drives, cooling fan, power switch, again audio connections. Bring it around the back. That's the back. Power supply. Again, we have all the stuff for the motherboard. And see there, pretty good, pretty cheap as well. €35, not bad. In Georgia Street, good. Or not Georgia Street, Capel Street. Yes, pretty happy with that, yeah. Okay, so that's it. That's it all there in one big nutshell. Okay, cool.